Can I fly with a perforated septum? That's a great question. There may be concern if you have a perforated septum that you may have an increased possibility of having sinus infections or increased pressure from the flight taking off or landing. The reality is that a septal perforation generally will not cause you any more sinus pressure or increase your chances of getting a sinus infection. But because of the dry air in the cabin of the airplane and just the air conditioning units in the airport being very cold, you may experience a lot of drying during your flights. So I recommend you using some type of nasal moisturizer and maybe a saline rinse to help you be more comfortable during your flight.